Okay, so this is student portal and nasa admin login PHP tayo. So, login tayo as admin. Okay, dito sa dashboard ng admin, lalabas dito yung 12 pending accounts, 11 approved accounts, and 1 deleted accounts. Then dito, nakapile dyan yung pending, approved, and deleted. Dun din sa registration. Then, dito lalabas yung mga pending student. Doon mo i-delete, approve. Delete. Then, pending, approve. At dito lalabas yung mga approved students. And dito lalabas yung mga deleted students. So, yun lang sa admin panel natin. So, logout. Mag-student. Sign in naman tayo. Student. Okay, dito naman lalabas sa dashboard natin yung 5 enrolled subjects, total units, GWA, then payments. Ito. So, sa subjects tayo. Ito yung mga subjects na naka-enrolled sa akin. Naka-display dyan yung subject code, subject title, units, professor. Then, sa grades naman, lalabas dito yung grades ko. Then, sa announcement. Okay, so, try naman natin mag-sign up as student. So, student number, 001. Full name. Then email address. gmail.com. Then sa password, student 3. Confirmation, student identity. And then sign up. Okay, so na-move na siya sa admin approval. So, log in naman tayo as student. Student 1, 2, 3. Log in. So, dito sa dashboard, lalabas yung 5 enrolled subjects and total units, GWA, then payments. Then, subjects naman, naka-display dito yung subject code, subject title, units, and professor. Then, sa grades naman, lalabas dito yung grades ko sa mga subject enrolled ko. Then, sa announcement, dito, lalabas yung mga announcement. Then, sa payments, lalabas dyan yung mga paid, unpaid na fees. Then, sa profile, yan. And yun lang sa student portal.